So, this is the problem given, sine inverse. Let us take the blank slide. Sine inverse log 2 x square by 2. Basic concept, log 2 x square by 2 must lie between minus 1 to plus 1. Next step, 2 to the power minus 1 less than equal to x square by 2 is less than equal to 2 to the power 1, or 1 by 2 is less than equal to x square by 2 is less than equal to 2. Multiply with 2. 1 is less than equal to x square is less than equal to 4. So, what this implies? Two things will come. X lies between 1 to 2, or x lies between minus 2 to minus 1. This can be written as closed interval 1 comma 2 union closed interval minus 2 comma minus 1. I repeat once again, we have studied the concept y is equal to sine inverse x. So, what is the domain? X lies between minus 1 to plus 1. What was the range? Y lies between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Okay. So, log base 2x square by 2 will lie between minus 1 to plus 1. Changing to, removing the log, changing to the normal, 2 to the power minus 1 equal to x square by 2 is less than equal to 2. From this, we get x square lies between 1 and 4, x lies between 1 and 2, and x lies between minus 2 to minus 1. 1 comma 2 union minus 2 comma minus 1. You can let us cross check the yes, what the answer comes. So, minus 2 to 2 is given, and minus 1 and 1 you have to remove it, minus 2 to plus 2, but you have to remove from minus 1 to plus 1. So, what we got is 1 to 2 union minus 2 to minus 1, perfectly correct.